In order to learn how to blend acrylics, there are a few key things to know. Here are 2 easy ways to blend acrylic paint. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified of our upcoming helpful acrylic painting videos. Our favorite way to quickly blend paint while it's on the surface of the canvas is to work before the paint has dried. This is called a wet-on-wet technique. The name implies that the artist continues to paint and blend colors together before the medium has dried, and therefore colors will mix while painting. It's your creative choice as the artist whether you leave the paint slightly unblended as you see here, with some of the brush marks still visible. You could call this look splashy or painterly. If you are looking to create a smoothly rendered gradient, keep watching. It's good to remember to avoid working too long using this method, as the paint you're working with can become too mixed together. The result could leave your color palette appearing muddy without distinct color separation. Be mindful of this and keep in mind that this technique can be finessed in order to work wonders for you. Let's take this one step further. An easy way to blend color into a smooth render is to blend out your initial gradient before the paint dries. After meeting 2 or more colors at the seams and blending them together slightly, use a soft, fluffy brush such as a mop brush to buff out the distinct paintbrush strokes. This simple method can smooth out textures and blend color instantly. Use a light touch as you gently swish a mop brush or another fluffy brush over the entirety of the painting. It may be wise for you to begin by blending whatever lighter color you have on the canvas and then work towards the darker colors. This is the result that you can expect from using this exact method. We hope that this video helped you understand how to blend acrylic paint smoothly. Download 2 free helpful guides to help you get started with acrylic painting. Just visit acrylicartsacademy.com/free guides.